Did you know? In Octopus, you can link stories so that you can easily update all of them at the same time. Look, I have one story that I want to use in different rundowns. So I create a link between those. I either drag, drop, and press Alt on my keyboard at the same time. See the little arrow that appears close to my mouse cursor if I do so. Or I click on Button Action in my toolbar and choose where I want to assign my story. Exclamation point indicates that my story is assigned to different locations. All the changes will be reflected immediately to all the linked stories. If I change the name, see what happens. How can this help? For example, you want to update a studio for a story that you want to broadcast during your news at 2, 3 and 5 p.m. New information will automatically mirror in all the linked stories.